According to the education calendar, 7th December marked the break off for holidays for both primary and secondary school going children, which in most cases happened to be the longest. Attention now turns to parents who are expected to have the children until the 2nd February 2025 and some extra months for those who will be in senior 6 vacation.
Many parents think that, I need to have a lot of money to love my children, to do this for them. But let me tell you, you and me who grew up in many homes where there were many things that were not there, our parents just had time for us, love for us, and care. And many things they did for us did not take money, but we still remember them. So the things that live longer in the lives of the children are not the things we buy with money. They are the things actually we give from our heart and that live on. And that's the legacy that we want to leave for our children.
We had a one-on-one with Monica Agaba, a counsellor and teacher who started by urging parents to step up in supporting their children.
Parents, create some time for your children. Make sure that you help them explore. Help them explore. Help them find what to do. Help them find a job, for example. And if they can not get a job, help them innovate something at home that they can be busy at, and even create a product that they'll be very proud of. Make sure that you're involved in their life, because if you don't, they'll be lost. And that is when they'll end up even doing things that they're not supposed to do. As a parent, it is your role to stay in your child's life.
Madam Monica sends a message to the senior 6 leavers to make use of the long period of time they will be in vacation.
Dear students who are going for your holidays, it is going to be your first time to have a long time at home. It's going to be your first time to have a holiday that takes almost a year, 8 months and above. And so I pray that you spend those months responsibly. Be responsible, be productive, don't be redundant, because redundancy can create evil. Redundancy can lead you into doing things that you're not supposed to be doing. And at the end of that day, you end up losing your life.
As the world continues to advance in technology, media devices continue to be accessible to almost every household, which comes with both disadvantages and advantages. Madam Monica strongly calls upon the children to give less time to gadgets since they are addictive.
Have time off your phone. Do house chores. Make yourself busy. My dear, that phone is there to stay. No one is going to take it away from you. So make sure that you use it profitably. Make sure that you have time off your phone. Do not get addicted, because addiction is going to cause you problems and challenges. Make sure that you set your life apart from social media. You're going to have social media, but can you find something positive than something negative? When you look at your friends who have been addicted, where are they? How are they ending up? Do you really admire them today? No, you don't.
She also encourages the young ones to take care of themselves, especially in the festive season, which comes with a lot of excitement.
Being a long holiday, and you people having spent almost 7 years in secondary school, I believe that there's a lot of excitement. You're going to be too excited. You're going to be too independent and want to use your independence for things that can excite you more. Can you kindly realize that in this festive season, you have to take care of yourselves. You have to be very responsible. You have to be very disciplined, because you are preparing for your future. Your future is not ending here in this festive season. So make sure that you use your time responsibly. Don't drink alcohol. Don't do any kind of activity that you haven't been doing that is not positive. And make sure that you have an agreement with your parents. Wherever you're going, let your parents